In this video, we'll discuss how to create a combo product in BakeSmart. A combo product is combining multiple standard products to create a new product. A great example of this would be a lunch combination offering. As you'll notice, we'll hit the Italian combo. Now we're offered a choice of beverages, cake slices, the sandwich, and your choice of side. And you'll notice that each option is listed here so that your service team knows exactly what the customer has ordered. So how do you build it? From BakeSmart's home screen, click the menu at the top right corner, then click Lists, then Products. Now you'll choose the addition sign in the top toolbar. Here we're going to name our product that we're creating. We're going to create a breakfast pastry tray. In the box next to the title of the product, you'll click and choose Combo. Then we'll assign this to a category. And this is going to be the pastry category and then assortment for the subcategory. Now we're going to price this, and we're going to price this at $5, and I'll explain that price in a minute. Then we'll hit update pricing, choose current, and it'll apply that $5 to the wholesale by applying the discount that we've told BakeSmart we want to apply to all wholesale pricing from our retail price. Then we'll go ahead and dump in a quick description: an assorted pastry tray with the option of 4 muffins, 4 donuts, and 4 Danish. Great for brunch celebrations. Wonderful. And then we'll click the box here to add our picture. We'll choose the picture, upload it, and now you can see what we're actually building here. So now that everything that we want to enter is done, we'll click the Setup on the left toolbar. From here, we're going to click Price Type. There are 4 ways to price combo products in BakeSmart. The base price, which would be if you wanted to charge just the $5. The base price plus extra charges would be that you want to charge the base price that you've programmed in, plus a different charge than you would normally charge for the items that are listed in the combo. The base price plus the total price of selected products, which is what we're going to choose here, because we want this to be priced out for every item, all 4 muffins, all 4 Danish, all 4 donuts, plus the $5 charge to cover the cost of the tray and the labor to build the breakfast pastry tray. Or you can choose total price of selected products with no upcharge for the combo aspect. So again, we'll choose this one, and now we're going to add the products that the customer has a choice to choose from. First, we're going to put in the groups. So the group here, we're going to start with muffin, and then we're going to search for what muffins in BakeSmart we want to include. We want to include all of these, so we'll simply add all. Now we're going to create the donut group. And then we're going to search for which donuts in BakeSmart we'll want to add. And here we're just going to choose all of them except the donut hole, because we don't want to include donut holes in this offering. And then we're going to go and create the last group, which is Danish. We'll search for the Danishes we want to include. And again, we want to include all, so we'll hit add all. Now you'll see that all of the options are here that we just clicked. So now we want to tell BakeSmart how many in each group we want the customer to choose. And we're going to say 4, because remember, we are going to sell this tray with 4 muffins, 4 donuts, and 4 Danish. So you have to simply just go through and click 4. If you wanted to, if you had chosen the option to charge for the base price plus extra charges, which would have been this one, you would actually add those extra charges right here. Let's say you wanted to charge an extra $1, or charge, the apple cinnamon muffin $1 when it's included in the tray. This is where you would put those prices. But for this example, we're going to leave this blank. Now we're going to go down to taxes, and we're going to just make sure that the tax setting is set correctly. And this is just taxed at our normal rate, so we'll make sure all the boxes are clicked. And then availability, and make sure that it is going to be included in our POS, our point of sale screen, and also it's available to order any day of the week. All looks good. It's all set up. and we've added the product. Now we're going to go and test it. First, we'll go to the POS Manager menu and update products. This will just make sure that all of the changes we just made are uploaded to the POS screen. And now we'll try to find it and see how we did. So we're going to go to pastries, we're going to go to assortment, and then we're going to hit breakfast pastry tray. And here we are. We can choose our 4 danishes, our 4 donuts, our 4 muffins, and you'll see that they're all listed here for a total of $28.55 with tax for a total of $30.55. And that's how you set up a combo product in BakeSmart.